A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development that has sent shockwaves through Brazil's political arena, former President Jair Bolsonaro has been placed under house arrest by the Supreme Court. This decision comes as he faces serious allegations of orchestrating a coup to overturn the results of the 2022 presidential election, where he was narrowly defeated by leftist candidate Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. The ruling, issued by Justice Alexander de Moraes, indicates that Bolsonaro violated precautionary measures previously imposed on him, which included restrictions on his public communications. This has ignited a fervent response from his supporters, who gathered outside his residence in Brasília, demonstrating their unwavering loyalty to the controversial leader. The backdrop of this political turmoil is further complicated by the international dimension, as U.S. President Donald Trump has publicly condemned the judicial actions against Bolsonaro, labeling them a witch hunt and linking them to a 50% tariff on Brazilian imports. The implications of this tariff could have dire consequences for Brazil's economy, which is still recovering from the pandemic. Bolsonaro's legal troubles have escalated since the January 2023 riots in Brasília, where his supporters stormed government buildings in an attempt to overturn the election results. The former president's defense team has announced plans to appeal the house arrest ruling, arguing that his recent comments made during a protest were not a violation of the court's orders. However, Justice de Moraes has made it clear that any further infractions could lead to stricter penalties, including imprisonment. The political landscape in Brazil is now fraught with tension, as Bolsonaro's supporters rally for his release and advocate for amnesty for others involved in the January riots. Analysts suggest that this situation may create a new rallying point for Bolsonaro's base, potentially shaping the upcoming 2026 elections. The Brazilian government has remained largely silent on the matter, but the international community is closely monitoring the situation. The U.S. State Department has condemned the house arrest, calling it an infringement on freedom of speech and a violation of democratic principles. As the political drama unfolds, the future of Brazil's democracy hangs in the balance, with both sides preparing for an intense battle in the months to come. The ramifications of this ruling extend beyond Bolsonaro's personal fate. They could redefine the power dynamics in Brazil for years to come. With Bolsonaro's house arrest, the stage is set for a pivotal moment in Brazilian politics, as the opposition seeks to capitalize on the unrest and the ruling party attempts to maintain control amidst growing dissent. The coming weeks will be critical in determining whether Bolsonaro's influence will wane or if he will emerge from this crisis even stronger than before. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.